Good evening everybody, myself Vishwendra, I am the founder of Optimal Success Trajectory. Today we will discuss about elastic potential energy density stored in a stretched wire. Suppose there is a wire. When you stretch it, internal restoring forces are developed in the wire, and because of which potential energy is stored in the wire. So we shall look for the derivation and the expression for that. So the expression for the stored potential energy is half into stress into strain into volume. So energy per unit volume will be half into stress into strain. Now we know that Young's modulus is stress upon strain. So stress will be Y into strain. So we can write energy density is equal to half Y into strain square. We can conclude two things. The first is E is proportional to Y, that is Young's modulus, and the graph will be a straight line. And the second is that E is proportional to strain square, so the graph will be a parabola. Now it can be expressed in another terms. So E is equal to half into stress into strain. So strain can be written as stress upon Y. So E is equal to half into stress by Y. That is E is equal to stress square by 2Y. So if we draw the curve between E and stress, it will be a parabola, and between E and Y it will be a rectangular hyperbola. So these were some of the terminologies that how things can be related. So you have seen that whatever information you learn, make sure you learn it in a systematic way so that you are able to retrieve it. This is the only difference between a successful and unsuccessful student. Our mind is a data storing device. At every moment of your life, data is being stored in your mind. So if you know the system, data is being stored in a systematic way, then you will keep on working. You will be successful. And if you don't know the process, something wrong is there. You don't know the process how to store information in mind, then you won't be able to succeed, because you won't be able to retrieve, because your mind don't know how to access that information. I hope it works for you. Thank you and have a nice day.